Hey guys, Lewis Bittle here, Hair for All. This system's a little bit different to my last system. This system is a bespoke hair system. What's different between a bespoke hair system and a standard one? Not an overall lot different, but the fact that essentially your colours, I've got different colours filtering in from the side straight to the centre. So my hair and the diameters of my hair, I do seem to have a darker hair colour here, and then it goes a little bit lighter on top. So there's different colours filtered in through the system. So you haven't got that full block colourage of block covering of colour, because I think sometimes that can make it look a little bit fake, and it looks like you're a bit of a Lego head. But I genuinely, and also you can basically filter it through, so you can have it legs through the middle, and then you can have it basically tape around the side. Depending on what's comfortable for you, again, you need to do what suits you in your day-to-day life and what you're going to get fulfillment out of your hair system, because the main thing is you want longevity and easy use.